Okay, I told you that we are going to do a lesson on Women's Day. Since the International Women's Day is on our head, so I chose this topic. The video is on about GoPro International Women's Day. We are women.
Go ahead and take a seat. Is she mic'd up? Are we ready for quiet?
Okay, so keep in mind this is being cut together. You're free to ad-lib things that are true from you instead of mind samples.
I'm like nervous now.
We're daughters and mothers.
Sisters and soulmates.
We are strong and bold.
She likes being the boss. She likes being in charge.
We are teachers and very good listeners.
We are doctors and lawyers.
We are data scientists.
We are recruiters, musicians,
Engineers.
athletes.
We are game changers.
Flawless and fearless.
We are badass, and we are equals.
We are motivators.
Thank you. It's a little bit higher.
Instigators. We're leaders.
Risk takers.
We are shoppers, for sure. Breadwinners.
Bread bakers.
We are dreamers.
Executives.
And we are creators.
We support each other.
I'm here.
We are girlfriends and wives. We have girlfriends and wives.
We go fast. We get our hands dirty.
We paint our nails.
Or don't paint our nails.
I don't paint my nails.
How's my hair?
We keep it together.
We are the glue. We hold it down.
We are women.
We are women.
So it discusses about different roles which are carried out by women throughout their lives. Some are engineers, some are doctors, some are lawyers, athletes, and what else? Breadwinners, bread bakers, recreators. There are so many roles which are described by various kinds of women which carry out in their lives, right? Mind, this is being cut together. You are free to ad-lib things that are true for you instead of my examples. I'm like nervous now. Mama baya wela inne. We are daughters and mothers. We are daughters and mothers. We have those characters in our lives. Daughters la saha mothers la kena characters api samaje inne. Sisters and soulmates la inne. Soulmates la kiyanne you are more close than best friends. Best friends වලටත් වඩා හොඳ bond එකක් තියෙනවා soulmates ලා අතර. We are strong and bold. Strong means ශක්තිමත් and bold means නිර්භීත, brave. She likes being the boss. She likes being in charge. ඒ කියන්නේ women in more roles they like to be in the boss, to take the leadership. Leadership එක ගන්න කැමති. We are teachers and very good listeners. We are teachers and on the other side, we can be good listeners. හොඳට ඇහුම්කන් දෙන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. We are doctors and lawyers. We are data scientists. We are recruiters. Recruiters means people who hire the suitable candidates to their companies. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි the interviews call කරලා ඒ අදාළ vacancy වලට හරි suitable qualifications තියෙන අය අපි බඳව ගන්න. අන්න ඒකට තමයි recruiters ලා කියලා කියන්නේ. Musicians, engineers, athletes කියලා කියන්නේ මාළල ක්‍රීඩා කරන අය. We are game changers. ඒ කියන්නේ we who are the run our life. Facing so many obstacles, facing so many struggles, we carry out our lives. ඒ කියන්නේ එක එක challenges එන අපේ ජීවිතේ ඒවා හරහා ඒවා මැඩගෙන අපි ඉස්සරහට යන game changers. Flawless and fearless. Flawless කියන්නේ without any flaw, perfect. Perfectly and fearless means බය නැතුව අපි ඉස්සරහට යනවා. We are badass. we are motivators. අපි අනිත් අය motivate කරනවා. Instigators means like පොළඹවනවා කියන එකටම තමයි. Like motivators. We are leaders, risk takers, risks ගන්න කැමති. අවදානම් ගන්න කැමති. We are shoppers for sure. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි shopping කරන්න ගොඩක් කැමති. Breadwinners means අපි තමයි අපේ පවුලේ හම්බ කරන කෙනා. සමහරට පවුලේ එකම එක්කෙනා ඉන්නේ පවුල නඩත්තු කරන. එයාට තමයි breadwinner කියලා කියන්නේ. Then bread bakers means කියන්නේ බේකරි එක වැඩ කරලා මේ පාන් වගේ හදන එකට බේක් කරන එකට තමයි bread bakers කියලා කියන්නේ. We are dreamers. අපි dream කරන්න පුළුවන්. Executives means the women who carry the highest positions in an organization. ඒ කියන්නේ director positions වගේ executive levels වල තියෙන roles. We are creators. Creative thinking. We support each other. අපි එකිනෙකාට උදව් කරනවා. We are girlfriends. Some carry the roles of girlfriends while the other carry the role of wives. We have girlfriends and wives. We go fast. We get our hands dirty. අපි kitchen එකේ වැඩ කරනකොට අපි ගෙදර වැඩ කරනකොට අපේ අත් කිලුට වෙනවා. We paint our nails. අපි අපේ nails color කරනවා. Or don't paint our nails. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි nails color කරන්නේ නැහැ. Paint කරන්නේ නැහැ. I don't paint my nails. Some woman is saying that she doesn't paint her nails. එයාගේ nails color කරන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියනවා. Then some is asking how's about her hair. එයාගේ hair color එක කොහොමද කියලා අහනවා. We keep it together. We are the glue. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි හැමදේම එකට බැඳලා තියාගන්න. ෆැමිලි කියන එක එකට බැඳලා තියාගන්න මේ women කෙනාට පුළුවන්. womanට පුළුවන් ෆැමිලි එකකට බැඳලා තියාගන්න glue එකක් වගේ. ඒ glue එක තමයි woman කියන්නේ. කියන්නේ ඒ ගම් එකෙන් ෆැමිලි එකේ bonds බැඳලා තියාගන්න womanට පුළුවන්. We hold it down. We are women. Hold it down කියන්නේ running or under control ඒ කියන්නේ තමන්ගේ පාලනයේ නතුව තියාගන්නවා කියන එක තමයි hold it down කියලා කියන්නේ. We keep things running. අපි අපේ පාලනයේ මේ දේවල් තියාගන්නවා. Right? Okay, I'll explain the text and we are going through the activities. Okay, can you see this? International Women's Day, we are women. You have to match the vocabulary with the correct definition. Yes, oh. Soulmate කියලා කියන්නේ you have someone you have a special kind of relationship more than a best friend. An executive, a woman who carries out the highest position in an organization. Breadwinner කියන්නේ කාටද? The woman who carry out all the expenses, all the expenses in her family. Family ke හැම වියදමක්ම දරන කෙනා. To get your hands dirty, you are keep doing your works at home, and you get your hands dirty. To keep it together, to be the glue. You can match the definitions. Bold. What could be the definition? I told you that being brave.
See?
Bold means be, not frightened of danger. කියන්නේ කිසි දෙයකට බය නැහැ කියන එක. අනුතරකට බය වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Be. Flawless.
7 answer is F.
Correct. Then 6. Okay, you can go as your own.
6. 6 answer is G.
Correct. Get your hands dirty means ඔයා මහන්සිලා වැඩ කරන එතකොට ඉතින් අර
H.
yes.
Nine answer is I.
Not I. Keep it together. And to be the glue.
Nine answer is J.
Correct.
Ten answer is I.
Correct. To be the one that holds a group of people together. And family කියන group එක බැඳලා තියාගන්නේ මේ glue එකකින්. මේ glue එක තමයි woman කියන්නේ. An instigator and game changer.
Three answer is D.
We took D under flawless කියන එකට අපි ගත්තා D. Instigator means a motivator. Remaining answers are C and E.
Three answer is E.
Okay, a person who causes something to happen. Being a motivator, being an instigator, you motivate someone to do a particular kind of action, and as a result, he would do that thing. He would do that action. A person who causes something to happen. එතකොට එයා ඒ දේ කරන්න මෙයා තමයි පෙළඹෙන්නේ. Like that. A game changer. Game changer කියන්නේ මොකක්ද?
C.
Correct. Someone or something that changes the situation in a significant way. A game changes affects in a significant way to change something. මොන හරි society එකේ තියෙන මොන හරි traditional දේවල් change කරන්න පුළුවන් game changers ලට. Right? Okay.